Hi everyone. So let us begin from the 11th question. So the 11th question is prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 sin x. This problem can be solved in two ways. In one method, we can apply first cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y formula, or another method is we can apply cos x minus cos y formula. Cos x minus cos y. We can solve it in any of the two methods. So let us apply cos x minus cos y formula. Cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin of x plus y. This is x. Now this entire thing is x plus y. Y is 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2. The formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. X is 3 pi by 4 plus x minus y. This is x minus y is this, that is 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Now here you can observe this, we can cancel. Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, we get 6 pi by 4 by 2. This denominator 2 will be there into sin. Here if you observe, this is 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 will be cancelled. This is plus x minus into minus plus x. So that becomes 2x by 2. So we can cancel 2, we get only sin x. Now here again, this is minus 2 sin. We can make this 6 pi by this, you take it reciprocal, we get 1 by 2, that is 4 into 2 we get 8 into sin x. So if we simplify that, we get that is equal to minus 2 sin. We can cancel this, we get 3, 4, 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is pi minus pi by 4 into sin x. So that is equal to minus 2. Pi minus pi by 4 is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive, and this is even multiple of pi by 2, which means 2 into pi by 2. Even multiple of pi by 2. So sign will remain sin into pi by 4 into sin x. So this is equal to minus 2 sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into sin x. This we can write it as root 2 into root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2 sin x. So 1 root 2 we can cancel. The result is minus root 2 sin x. This is your RHS. So here we are applying cos x minus cos y formula. We can also apply cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. We can apply cos x plus y formula minus we can apply cos x minus y formula. We can solve it in any of the two methods. Let's take the next question. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x sin 10x. We need to prove again LHS is equal to RHS. If you observe the left side it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we apply a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we apply a plus b into a minus b form sin 6x plus sin 4x a plus b into a minus b. So sin 6x minus sin 4x. So this is a plus b into a minus b form. Now this is in the form of sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y is 2 sin of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2. Sin x plus sin y is 2 sin of x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Now again this is sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos we get x plus y by 2 into we get 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So when you have sin plus sin, first we get sin then cos. When you have sin minus sin, first we will get cos and then we will get sin. So simplify this. 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2 is 5x. So that is equal to 2 sin of 5x. This is 6x minus 4x. 2x by 2 gets cancelled. We will get only cos x into again 2. This is again 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2, 5x. So this is cos of 5x into again 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2 is sin x. So from this, if you observe 2 sin 5x cos 5x. So we write 2, or first we write 2 sin x cos x, 2 cos x sin x into again we have 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. Now this is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta or 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x, and again this is 2 sin theta cos theta. These values must be same. Here it is 5x, here also it is 5x only. Here it is x, here also it is x only. If the angles are same, only then we can apply 2 sin theta cos theta formula. So that becomes sin of 2 into 5x, sin 2 theta. So that is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. So this is the result. Okay, I will leave the 13th question for you. It is similar to the 12th question. So I think you can solve that question. Next 14th question. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. So we will take the LHS and we will rearrange it. We make first we take sin 2x plus, then we take sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. So I will just rearrange the terms, because when I add these two, 2x plus 6x I get 8x by 2, 8x by 2 will be 4x, I will get this term. So that is why I am just rearranging the terms. Without rearranging also you can solve, but you need to write this 2 sin 4x as sin 4x plus sin 4x and then you have to solve it. So instead of that you can just rearrange the terms Now we apply sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. This is sin x plus sin y, so we get 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. So this 2x plus 6x 8x, 8x by 2 4x, so we get 2 sin of 4x. This is 2x minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 4x by 2, minus 2x, so we get cos of minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Now you can observe, here we have 2 sin 4x, here also we have 2 sin 4x, so we can take 2 sin 4x, we can take common, then remaining will be cos of minus 2x. Cos of minus theta is positive only, so cos of minus x will become cos x only, so cos of minus 2x is cos 2x only, plus this is already outside, so we get plus 1, so that is equal to 2 sin of 4x. Now as we have seen formulas of cos 2x, as I told, cos 2x plus 1, this is like a dangerous combination, we should eliminate 1. 1 should be eliminated. How can we eliminate 1? Here we have plus 1, here we have plus 1. Use the formula of cos 2x where you get minus 1. So we can write this as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Why we are using this formula only? We have 4 formulas. Why we are using this formula only? Because we get minus 1 here and we have plus 1. We can cancel. That is why we are taking minus 1. Suppose if here you have minus 1, then here you have to select the formula where you get plus 1. Then you can take 1 minus 2 sin square x. So based on plus 1 or minus 1, we have to choose the different formula. So here what do we get now? 2 into 2, that is 4 sin 4x into cos square x. So this is your result RHS. Next question, again prove that LHS equal to RHS. So first take LHS, that is equal to cot of 4x into, again here we have sin x plus sin y. So again we use 2 sin x plus y, 5x plus 3x by 2, 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So again we are using the same formula, sin x plus sin y. This is equal to cot 4x into, this is 5 plus 3, 8x, 8x by 2 sin 4x into cos, this is 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, 1x, so we get cos x. So this will become cot 4x. Cot 4x can be written as cos 4x by sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. So we can cancel sin 4x. The remaining we get 2 cos x into cos 4x. So we can leave this as 1. Now consider the RHS. RHS is equal to, we can take again cot x. This is sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2. That is 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. 5x minus 3x by 2. So this is equal to cot x into 2 cos of 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2 4x into sin 5 minus 3 2, 2 by 2 1, we get x. So again cot x we can write this as cos x by sin x. This becomes 2 cos 4x into sin x. Now we can cancel sin x. Now what are we getting? 2 cos x into cos 4x. So this is your second. We can compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. From, you can write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So your next question, cos x minus 9x, cos 9x minus cos 1x by sin 17x minus sin 3x. So again take LHS. The same formulas we are using again and again in each and every problem. The 4 formulas, as I said, which are very important, those same formulas we are using again and again. Cos x plus cos y, cos x minus cos y, sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y. Transformation of angles. So these formulas we are using again and again. So we need to be very thorough with these formulas. Now we are using cos x minus cos y, which is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. That is in the numerator. In denominator we are using sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2, 2 cos sin x minus y by 2. So this is equal to minus 2. This is 9 plus 5, 14, 14 by 2, 7. So we get sin 7x. This is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So we get sin 2x by 2 cos 17 plus 3 20, 20 by 2 10 x, 17 minus 3 14, 14 by 2 7 x. So see what all we can cancel. We can cancel 2 and we can cancel sin of 7x. So the remaining is equal to, so this is equal to minus sin 2x by cos 10x. So that is our result RHS. And the same similar type of question is there for 17th. 17th I will leave it for you. I hope you can do that question. 17 sin 5x. 17th question, I hope you can do that. Sin 5x plus sin 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x. Very simple question. You will get equal to tan 4x. We will get sin 4x by cos 4x. Sin 4x by cos 4x will be tan 4x. So I think I will leave that question for you. I will consider the next question. 18 sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y, which is equal to tan of x minus y by 2. Again this is also simple question only. Take sin x minus sin y formula. Sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 by cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y is 2 cos of x plus y by 2. Again cos x minus y by 2. See what all we can cancel here? We can cancel 2. We can cancel cos x plus y by 2. Cos x plus y by 2. So what is remaining? Sin x minus y by 2 by cos x minus y by 2. Sin by cos, this is same. X minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. So sin by cos. So that will become tan of x minus y by 2. So that is your result RHS. Okay, consider the next question. 19. Solution. Again sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 by cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. See what all is similar? 2 we can cancel. Here we have same cos x minus 3x by 2 cos x minus 3x by 2. So this is same, we can cancel. So what is remaining now? Sin x plus 3x 4x 4x by 2 2x. So sin 2x by, again this is 1 plus 3 4 4 by 2 2. So again we get cos 2x, which is equal to tan of 2x, and that is our result RHS. Next come to the 20th question. Again LHS equal to, now in the numerator we have sin x minus sin 3x. Sin x minus sin y formula. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 by, now in the denominator we can see this is in the form of sin square x minus cos square x. So if you take minus common from this, we can write this as cos square x minus sin square x. Why we are writing that? Because cos square x minus sin square x formula is cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So we are writing this as, by taking minus common, cos square x minus sin square x. So now if you simplify this, we get 2 cos 1 plus 3 4 4 by 2 2. So we get 2 cos 2x. Again 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 minus x. So we get sin of minus x by, denominator is cos 2x minus is there. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. We can cancel cos 2x. Now what is remaining? 2 into sin of minus x. Cos of minus x is cos x only, but sin of minus x is minus sin x. So we get minus sin x by, denominator we have minus. We cancelled already, but still we have denominator minus. So we get minus into minus, we get plus. So that is equal to 2 sin x, and that is our result RHS.